Welcome everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account on your PC. Just watch and follow this video till the end. So what you have to do first, just open your Instagram on your PC, click right now on more. After that, open settings. Here on settings you have to find your account center. Just click on it like that, and after that you have to go directly to manage account. Here click on it like this, and right now you will find here your account. Click on manage and click deactivation or deletion. And for example, right now I want just to deactivate my account. Click deactivate account and click continue. You have to write your password right now. I will find this list after I write my password. Choose a reason why do you want to deactivate your Instagram account. For example, can't find anyone to follow. Click on continue and click continue again, and then finish the other step, and you will deactivate your Instagram account correctly on your PC. That's all in this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and